Welcome to Tech Trends, where we dive into the latest and greatest innovations in technology and software development. Today, we're exploring something really intriguing, a tool called Tebako. This advanced packager is designed specifically for applications written in interpretive languages. If you've ever struggled with deploying projects or ensuring environments are consistent across different platforms, you might want to stick around for this. So, what exactly is Tebako? Well, imagine trying to send a friend a beautifully crafted cake that requires not just the right ingredients, but also a specific kitchen setup to make it. Now, instead of sending just the cake, what if you could send the entire kitchen, the oven, the ingredients, the recipes, all in one package? That's pretty much what Tebako does for your software. With Tebako, developers can package their entire project, along with the necessary runtime, into a single executable binary. This means you don't have to worry if the user has the required libraries or runtime environments installed. It's like having a self-sufficient little world for your application, allowing it to run smoothly wherever it goes. Now let's delve into some of the architecture. Tebako packages are essentially self-executing containers. They contain an on-file file system, which stores all required project files and dependencies in a compressed format known as dwarfs. Pretty cool, huh? The runtime environment comes with patched file system calls to make sure project files are accessed just right. And speaking of compatibility, Tebako supports a variety of platforms. We're talking Linux, macOS, and Windows, all while handling different architectures like AMD 64 and ARM 64. It's like having a universal remote that actually works with every device in your house. Okay, let's not gloss over some caveats though. If you're a Windows user, you might run into issues related to path lengths that come up with CMake. Just a heads up there. But don't worry, Tebako's developers are on it and they've got ways to work around certain issues. Now, why would you want to use Tebako? Picture this. You're preparing your software for a big launch, and the last thing you want is for your users to hit a wall because of missing runtimes or library versions. With Tebako, you can ensure that your application runs consistently across various environments. For developers who need to package their applications simply and effectively, Tebako is a game changer. It provides a detailed command line interface that makes the packaging process straightforward. You can use commands like setup, press, and clean to manage your Tebako environment effortlessly. Imagine being able to streamline your deployment process with just a few commands. Oh, and here's a fun fact. The name Tebako stems from a Japanese treasure box called tamatebako. In folklore, it contained precious gems that, when opened, could also reveal the passage of time. Similarly, Tebako helps you package your gems, your software, while protecting its integrity through a contained environment. So, if you're a developer looking to enhance your application's portability and ease of deployment, give Tebako a go. It might just store those precious gems, your applications, in a way that's both secure and efficient. Before we wrap up, let's consider a question. What challenges have you faced in application deployment, and could a tool like Tebako make a difference? We would love to hear your thoughts. That's it for today's episode of Tech Trends. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time with more exciting insights from the tech world. Happy coding.